In this video, I will show you how to start without blocks in Block Blast. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Block Blast on your device and make sure to complete this tutorial mode to be able to start without blocks on Block Blast. Now, this is actually exclusive only for those new users of Block Blast. So, once you're done doing the tutorial mode, you'll be able to start without blocks on your canvas on Block Blast. Now, if you are a user of Block Blast for a while already, you won't be able to start without blocks on the platform, since as you get higher points, the canvas that you have will have its structure based on that. Now, if you reach a certain level where you have actually achieved thousands of points on Block Blast, the template that you'll start with once you start playing on classic will be as hard as the level that you're in on the platform. And that is how you can simply start without blocks on Block Blast. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.